Hello, Barbara and Mojica, aka Little Miss History, back with you again for another episode of Trivia Tuesday Challenge. 5 trivia questions in 2 minutes. First, the answers to last week's questions. What color is a newborn ladybug? Depending on the species, a newborn ladybug might be black, yellow, orange, red, or even pink. Number 2, how can you definitively determine the sex of a bird? You would need a DNA test, which would reveal a ZW pattern for females and a ZZ pattern for males. Question number 3. What part of the body do butterflies use to taste their food? They use their legs and their feet. Number 4. How do giraffes drink water? Giraffes get most of their water from the plants that they eat. However, when they do stop to drink water, they must first spread their legs apart before lowering their heads to the ground. And the last question, which animal can survive the longest without drinking water? That would be the kangaroo rat, one of the few animals that can survive in Death Valley. Now on to today's topic, which is, who said that? Number 1, a meal without wine is like a day without sunshine. Number 2, the child is the father of the man. Number 3, the first virtue of painting is to be a feast for the eyes. Number 4, we hand folks over to God's mercy and show none ourselves. And number 5, once a man holds office, he is absolutely no good for honest work. You can find the answers to these questions by scouring the internet. I hope you'll click the subscribe button to get notifications of new Trivia Tuesday episodes. And if you have a minute, check out my website, www.littlemisshistory.com, to find all of my learning resources and opportunities. Until next time, happy hunting!